In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a registration form in Wix. Let's jump right into the process and make this as seamless as possible for you. Whether you're building a new website from scratch or updating an existing one, adding a registration form can be a great way to engage with your audience further. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in and have your site open, look to the left side of your screen, and you'll find the Pages and Menu button. This is your gateway to managing all the pages on your site and making sure your new registration form has the ideal placement. Go ahead and click on that button. Once you've opened the Pages and Menu section, you're going to want to search for the Sign Up and Login area. This section is specifically designed to help manage how users sign up or log in to your site, providing a streamlined way to keep track of your user interactions. Click on the Sign Up and Login option to access these settings. Now, within the Sign Up and Login section, you'll find a variety of options. What you're looking for here is the Member Sign Up option. Click on Member Sign Up, which brings you to where you can actually decide what type of sign-up form you want to add to your Wix site. At this point, you'll be given a choice between using a default preset form or creating a custom form. For those who want more flexibility and a tailored experience for their users, opting for a custom form is the way to go. Select the Custom Form option. This selection will allow you to design a registration form that perfectly fits the unique needs of your website and the information you wish to capture from your users. After choosing a custom form, you'll be able to edit it according to your preferences. You can add fields that are relevant to your audience, remove ones that aren't necessary, and style the form so it aligns with the overall aesthetic of your site. This customization allows you to control the entire look and feel of your registration process, making it both functional and visually appealing. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments and are satisfied with how the form looks and operates, the next and final step is to add this form to your site. Ensure you place it on the page where it will be most effective. This could be your homepage, a dedicated sign-up page, or even embedded within a pop-up to encourage visitors to register as soon as they land on your site. That's it. You've successfully added a registration form to your Wix site. Now, your website visitors can easily register, helping you build a community and gather invaluable information for your business or project. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your new registration form brings even greater success to your online endeavors. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!